Good morning all, camelbacktrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 19th. And we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And after a midday to late afternoon sell-off, the market is now trying to take back a bunch of what it gave away yesterday, as where change really took place was I, right? They kept pushing in G and H, but weren't getting much, and then the floodgates open and we went out with triple distribution days. Well, right now, all the price probes, again, it's 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, but as of right now, the price probes are being rejected. We're taking back at least one of these distributions, and they've been trading, if you notice, smack in the middle, which would have been beautiful shorts, by the way, pre-market if the options were trading. Right, we got within 60 cents of filling all the single prints in SPY and then backed off about a buck and a half. So we've all gotten inside of I singles. Qs barely got into them, but Russell and SPY and ES certainly did. Overnight high right now in SPY is 385.75. The overnight low is 381.79. I kept the daily as up yesterday, even though we really came back into that previous balance. I'm giving the buyers the benefit of the doubt. Obviously, if we take out today's low, we'd be back into balance. But for right now, I am calling this up on the daily. We'll see if we have an inside day or if we take out one side or the other. So there's going to be a lot going on this morning, battling at all these separate distributions. If we were to pull up anywhere near, again, if the overnight high is right around where it is now, I think it would be a decent risk reward short against that and the last single print fill. If you get acceptance into the upper distribution, then the short game is over because there's nothing up there. Remember, we were just 7 for 7 wide before this market just decided to just crater. So any acceptance into the upper distribution, we could easily go to the day's high. Easily go to the day's high. So a short against the overnight high and H's low, definitely the first time. I'm still not confident on where I'd want to take a long at this juncture. We're in the between J's high and K's low is the middle distribution. So if you ought to pull back, if you want to take a long now against K's low and then I'd be out below that. Any acceptance back into M's range from yesterday, and then the odds again increase dramatically to go make a new low on the day. So I might wait a little longer for more MGI for long, but that's one you could take if it pulls back. Now again, the overnight right now is going to be long. But again, most of that is short covering because that's a lot of this that took place are shorts. So we'll see if we're going to have a floor underneath us again as shorts continue to cover as they see they're underwater. Think about it. Anybody short in M, L, K, and J right now are underwater. That's who's covering. So again, definitely a short against the overnight high if it's there and H is low. If in the next 75 minutes we open up inside of H's range, then I would take a long if it pulls back against H's low, out again below that. Again, early plays. And then on the chart, just going to show you the daily. So again, we came out of a 5-day balance to the upside yesterday pretty good. We did dip below the 20, but we closed above it. It's at 381.16. We'll see where it's at when the market opens. Again, we'll see if we have an inside day or we're able to get back up. Look, if we take out yesterday's high, we're going to get close again to the 50-day moving average, right? Emotional short-term traders. That's what we're dealing with on a continual basis. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.